In this video, I'm going to show you how the import terrain from several files node works. When I open it, I can see that it's similar to the import terrains from our GBA file node that we saw previously. The import terrain from several files node works in the opposite way, in that it composes several input bitmap files to make a single terrain. To illustrate this, I've already prepared a folder with a series of bitmap files. The naming convention is important because the node looks for all the files with the same name and aligns them on a grid where the first number is the x-axis and the second one is the y-axis. To import them all into Instant Terra, I just need to copy the path of the file. As we saw in the previous video, I set the max height to 200. I paste the path of the files, specify the file names, and replace the x-axis by $x and the y-axis by $y. The files are imported to form one terrain, and each one is in the right position. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon for the next tutorial.